fear and anxiety in the minds of the people. Advertisement येयला गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचो where domicile is relaxed and Konkani is relaxed, essential is relaxed. Fear in the minds of the youth that they might lose आनी आमगेले गोंयकारपण म्हण तें वयतलें. सो हो युनिवर्सिटीन एक एडवर्टिजमेंट घातला आनी ते एडवर्टिजमेंटान कांय ना इनवायटींग पोस्ट. There are a lot of posts which are advertised. Maybe even they fix kai tehi gatla nahi. And they have asked solely for category gatla. So all these, let us not remove the what is essential. Munche knowledge in Konkani and knowledge in tugele relaxation as far as tugele kitle varsanche you should be a goan domicile tugeli kaina, nothing is there. So my request is to the government. There is no question of request. There is no request. This is going to get
एज्युकेशन आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीज आणि हायर एज्युकेशनची जी क्षेत्रां आहा थंय एकदां अडचणी अश्यो जाता की जाय तो क्वॉलिफिकेशनचो टीचर गोंयचो मेळटा अशें ना. त्यामुळे अनेकदां युनिव्हर्सिटीन पोस्ट खाली उरतात. त्या लेवलचोय मेळटा असो ना भायलो सुद्दां. आनी म्हणून युनिव्हर्सिटी आमचे कडेन काही अडचणी घेवन आयिल्ली आनी आमी तांकां एक सर्क्युलर धाडलेलें म्हणजे लेटर धाडलेलें 30 तारखेक रजिस्ट्राराक. एप्रुवल तातूंत भितर जे इम्पॉर्टंट पॉयंट हांव ते करता. एप्रुवल ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑल्सो कन्वेड टू रिलॅक्स द डोमिसायल एंड लँग्वेज रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर अपॉयंटमेंट ऑफ टीचर्स सब्जेक्ट टू if and only if, it is not only if, it is if and only if local eligible candidate is not available. Jagar local burgo mehna thai. If and only if. That means you have to first ascertain yourself that there is no local available. मागीर ते मिसइंटरप्रीट करता हें तकलेन येतकूच कानार आयलें म्हणून 7 तारखेक परत क्लॅरिफिकेशन धाडलें कि as regard to knowledge of Kokani and minimum 15 years of domicile, if no eligible candidate is available to fill the vacancy, then university should seek relaxation from the government on case-to-case basis by giving proper justification with all the details, and vacancy should be filled only once when such relaxation is granted by the government. We have already issued instructions saying that you have to first come to the government. They have violated that. That is not correct. I have told Director Higher Education to withdraw both these permission and ask them to go for only Goans, and if they can't get Goans, then they will approach us, we will give it.